part 2 of dimensioning. So some of the basic rules are dimension it where it is best shown. So I'm going to do some dimensioning here. Dimension this top part here. For circles, I should also dimension where the center of the circle will be drilled. And I should also dimension how large the circle will be. I'm going to choose diameter. Click on the circle and like that. The circles are always pointing to the center of the circle, and there we have it. There are some of the dimensions are done. Do not dimension hidden lines. Dimension where it is best shown, and circles should always be dimensioned to pointing to the center, and do not repeat the same dimension in the drawing. So complete the dimensioning on this drawing. You should also insert your name down here. So I'll select that, go modify, object, text, and you can enter in your name there. Okay, complete the dimensioning. Again, the two other drawings you should do are the trip slide and the stabilizer yoke. Those are the two you should also complete for dimensioning assignment. Have a good day.